Hey there! Today, let's explore 100 essential household items you see and use every day. Ready? Let's get started. First up, let's look at kitchen items. Fridge,
Fridge. It keeps food cold and fresh.
microwave,
Microwave. It heats up food very quickly.
kettle,
Kettle. You use it to boil water.
toaster,
Toaster. It makes bread brown and crispy.
coffee maker,
Coffee maker. It makes fresh coffee for you.
oven,
Oven. You use it to bake cakes or roast meat.
pot,
Pot. A deep container for cooking soup.
pan,
Pan. A flat tool for frying eggs.
rice cooker,
Rice cooker. You use it to cook perfect rice.
spatula,
Spatula. You use it to flip food in a pan.
knife,
Knife. You use it to cut food.
cutting board,
Cutting board. You cut vegetables on this.
plate,
Plate. You put your food on this.
bowl,
Bowl. It is for soup, rice, or cereal.
spoon,
Spoon. You use it to eat soup.
fork,
Fork. It has teeth to pick up food.
chopsticks,
Chopsticks. Two sticks used to eat Asian food.
cup,
Cup. A small container for hot drinks.
glass,
Glass. A clear container for cold drinks.
sink,
Sink. You wash your hands or dishes here.
trash can,
Trash can. You put your trash inside it.
dish soap,
Dish soap. Liquid used to clean dirty dishes.
sponge,
Sponge. A soft tool to scrub the dishes.
napkin,
Napkin. A piece of paper to clean your mouth.
foil,
Foil. Metal paper used for baking.
cling wrap,
Cling wrap. Plastic film to cover food.
peeler,
Peeler. You use it to peel fruit or vegetables.
grater,
Grater. You use it to shred cheese or carrots.
apron,
Apron. You wear it to keep your clothes clean.
Great! Now, let's leave the kitchen and move into the living room. Sofa,
Sofa. A long, soft seat for many people.
coffee table,
Coffee table. A low table in front of the sofa.
TV stand,
TV stand. It holds the television.
armchair,
Armchair. A big, comfortable chair for one person.
bookshelf,
Bookshelf. A place to store your books.
TV,
TV. A screen used to watch movies.
remote control,
Remote control. You use it to change TV channels.
speaker,
Speaker. A device that plays music.
curtain,
Curtain. Cloth used to cover windows.
rug,
Rug. A small decorative carpet on the floor.
cushion,
Cushion. A soft pillow for the sofa.
clock,
Clock. It tells you the time.
vase,
Vase. A container for flowers.
fireplace,
Fireplace. It keeps the room warm with fire.
painting,
Painting. A piece of art on the wall.
Next, let's check out the items in the bedroom. Bed,
Bed. You sleep on this every night.
wardrobe,
Wardrobe. A space where you hang clothes.
bedside table,
Bedside table. A small table next to your bed.
lamp,
Lamp. It provides light for reading.
dressing table,
Dressing table. A table for makeup and grooming.
desk,
Desk. A table where you work or study.
chair,
Chair. A seat for one person.
mattress,
Mattress. The soft part of the bed you lie on.
pillow,
Pillow. You rest your head on this.
blanket,
Blanket. A thick cover to keep you warm.
quilt,
Quilt. A very thick, warm cover for winter.
sheet,
Sheet. A thin cloth that covers the mattress.
mirror,
Mirror. You look at yourself in this.
hanger,
Hanger. You use this to hang up clothes.
alarm clock,
Alarm clock. It wakes you up in the morning.
Pajamas.
Pajamas. Clothes you wear for sleeping.
Slippers.
Slippers. Soft shoes for inside the house.
Time for a wash. Let's head to the bathroom. Toilet.
Toilet. You sit here to use the bathroom.
Shower.
Shower. You stand under water to wash.
Bathtub.
Bathtub. A long tub for a relaxing bath.
Tap.
Tap. You turn this to get water.
Shampoo.
Shampoo. Soap used for washing hair.
Conditioner.
Conditioner. It makes your hair soft.
Body wash.
Body wash. Liquid soap for your skin.
Body lotion.
Body lotion. Cream to keep your skin soft.
Soap.
Soap. A solid bar for washing hands.
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush. A small brush for your teeth.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. The cream for your toothbrush.
Mouthwash.
Mouthwash. Liquid for fresh breath.
Razor.
Razor. A tool used to shave hair.
Nail clipper.
Nail clipper. You use it to cut your nails.
Hairbrush.
Hairbrush. You use it to smooth your hair.
Comb.
Comb. A flat tool to tidy your hair.
Hairdryer.
Hair dryer. It blows hot air to dry hair.
Towel.
Towel. You use this to dry your body.
Bathrobe.
Bathrobe. A loose coat for after a shower.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper. Soft paper for the bathroom.
Bath mat.
Bath mat. A rug for the bathroom floor.
Plunger.
Plunger. A tool to fix a blocked toilet.
First aid kit.
First aid kit. A box for medicine and bandages.
Let's keep things tidy. Here are the items for cleaning and laundry. Broom.
Broom. You use it to sweep the floor.
Dustpan.
Dustpan. You sweep dust into this.
Mop.
Mop. You use it with water to clean floors.
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner. A machine that sucks up dust.
Bucket.
Bucket. A container for holding water.
Washing machine.
Washing machine. A machine that washes clothes.
Dryer.
Dryer. A machine that dries clothes.
Laundry basket.
Laundry basket. A box for dirty clothes.
Iron.
Iron. A hot tool to remove wrinkles.
Ironing board.
Ironing board. You iron clothes on this long board.
Laundry detergent.
Laundry detergent. Soap for the washing machine.
Softener.
Softener. It makes clothes feel soft.
Bleach.
Bleach. It makes white clothes whiter.
Trash bag.
Trash bag. A bag for your trash.
Dust cloth.
Dust cloth. A cloth to wipe away dust.
Rubber gloves.
Rubber gloves. You wear these to protect your hands.
Finally, let's look at some essential tools around the house. Hammer.
Hammer. You use it to hit nails.
Nails.
Nails. Small metal pins for wood.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. A tool to turn screws.
Screws.
Screws. Metal pins with a spiral thread.
Wrench.
Wrench. A tool to turn nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts. Metal parts used to join things.
Pliers.
Pliers. You use them to grip or cut wire.
Scissors.
Scissors. A tool used for cutting paper.
Tape measure.
Tape measure. You use it to measure length.
Tape.
Tape. A sticky strip used to join things.
Toolbox.
Toolbox. A box to keep your tools.
Ladder.
Ladder. You climb this to reach high places.
Flashlight.
Flashlight. A small, portable light.
Battery.
Battery. It gives power to electronics.
Light bulb.
Light bulb. It gives light to a lamp.
Great job! These are the words you'll hear and use every day at home. If this video helped you, feel free to like and share it. Thanks for being here. See you in the next one!